Hey guys, welcome to 360 Space. My name is Bright. So I'll be teaching us on how to get a dollar card in Nigeria, because due to the recent restrictions in Nigeria, you cannot use your Visa card to buy or shop on AliExpress and the rest of those platforms. So I will be introducing a platform where you can use to get a Visa card and also a dollar card for free. Please, if it's your first time on this channel and you will not subscribe, I would advise you do that now. Thank you. So this is how to get a dollar card while in any of the countries. Go to your app store if you're using iPhone, or your Play Store if you're using an Android phone. Search for cheaper cash on the screen. It's on the screen. Cheaper cash. Or if you don't know how to get it, check on the description and you see the link on how to download, or the link to download the cheaper cash application. So this is just how to do it. Okay, all you have to do is you go to your app store or your Play Store if you're using an Android phone. So this is cheaper cash, and you download it. So I have it on my phone already, so I open. So once you go to your cheaper cash, you should be able to see something like this. After registration, just immediately after your registration, you should be able to see home. Home like this. You see home and invest and card. So you just go to the card. You go to the card option. Then you see something like claim your card, like this. Just like this. Then you click on claim your card. And once you get to claim your card, it will take you to this place where you'll be able to complete the verification process. After the verification process, which might take up to 3 minutes or thereabouts, then you wait for the confirmation. So you should be able to use either your NIN, your driver license, or your passport. So after that, you get a message like this: thank you for submitting. And you wait for it to be approved. So you can as well check later to see if it has been approved. Then you see a message like this: approved. Then you go ahead and claim your card. So once you claim your card, it should look like this. It should look like this. Let me show you guys. It will look like this. So as for me, I claimed my Naira card and also my USD card. So I used the both of them for buying and shopping online too. Thank you, and don't leave without subscribing.